Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Untitled TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Yes, there's no contract, it's just verbal, it's just love and loyalty, that's it. Yeah.
So now you are still more or less like working with him as a label boss of a sort.
Yes.
But it is not on paper. The understanding, the religion, that's how you guys are going.
Yes, please.
See, what is your AMG? So many meanings have been put out. ABC amount for girls, ABC debe, ABC. What is your understanding of the AMG, Medikal?
Okay, so AMG be Arab Money Gang. Yeah, Arab Money Gang. You know, say the Arab people, their money be long, you understand? So yeah, that's the meaning of AMG for those who don't know. AMG is Arab Money Gang.
I think there has been other meanings out there.
Like what?
Chris Wado, I remember put out another one. Maybe I seem to have forgotten. But I'll surely remember that.
He said amount for girls?
No, amount for girls.
Anointed men of God.
Anointed men of God.
I mean, listen, when you go connect them to anything where you feel like. That one to but you understand, because at the end of the day, we are anointed men of God as well. Because Yankopon is shy, and a boy is no more AMG. They've been so tired amount for girls. Some amount for girls. Start be saying in the well, like.
Oh, okay. So every meaning has a connotation somewhere.
Thank you.
And so who say what you be girl that like Medikal? What you be girl that?
Oh, Menkai.
And say who are the corporates there? A month for girls. No more for who are they?
Not yet. So we lose now. You say AMG boy, we know again. Now they are sorry.
And they're sorry. That's a good feeling. But recently, still on AMG though. Recently, Showboy spoke to me from his base in the USA, and he was not happy with you guys. He thinks you guys have rejected him to his fate, and he feels that the support that you are supposed to even give to him, you, Chris Waddell, Shatawale, and co, he feels offended. I don't know what you would say in response to what he said on this platform.
I didn't listen to the interview, but if I did answer the things where he talking, prior to the things where he talking, I would talk to maybe he's right in his own way. Once we are saying based on how the person as an individual they see the thing from an angle. What I say, but I mean, obviously, I don't have any problem with Showboy. I don't think Wado does either. So, I mean, he's doing his thing wherever he is. He's still strong. I just pray that they free him soon, so he comes home. That's it.
But is there still a connection between you guys and him?
I mean, anybody will support AMG from day one. Whether you started supporting and later you left or you're still there, you're still family. So, I mean. He's also out there doing his thing. You get me? He's not in a good position right now. Like he did position where I know go even like make my worst enemy self go. That's jail behind bars. So I pray they free him soon, so he comes home, so everything will be well.
So in the camp, is he still considered a part of the AMG team now?
I mean, Showboy be like brother, you understand? Because I don't know the joke with Showboy. You get me? Me, I know
even now.
Yeah, I can say because I mean they still communicate sometimes, and then me, I can say I don't have any problems with problem with Showboy because me and Showboy we don't even like vibe deep and like we didn't really talk that much like those days even when he was like not in the can right now. You get me? But I think he's still a part of AMG. I can say because he one way or the other he has also contributed one or two things into the camp. So I mean I can't reject that. Yeah.
Another thing about Medikal that so many people are sometimes surprised, sometimes happy about is your relationship with Shatawale. Sometimes people know, Shatawale, you start friendship with him, the next day you guys are doing Facebook and Instagram fight. But in your case, you've been with him and it keeps getting better. What have you been doing right?
I don't know, but I think with Wale, he won't be say, I'll be loyal to you, make you not mess with my loyalty, that's it. And then when you mess with it, I'll tell you my mind. If I feel say we're going to be cool, then we're going to be cool again, that's it. That'll be how it is. As I say, that'll be the type of person to be. And then, in a way, that'll be how me too are there, you understand? But just me, my own be say, if me and you get some misunderstanding, we go to be cool, but it will be hard for us to be connected like we used to. You get me? So I feel like he know the joke with loyalty. So if you mess that loyalty up, that's it, and then he goes off on you.
Talking about loyalty, a gentleman came here crying to you for forgiveness. Jata, what's the name of the gentleman once again? Richie Rhymes. He came here begging for forgiveness. He has admitted that he's offended you in so many ways, and that he prays for your forgiveness at every point in time. Today you are here on this same platform. What do you tell him, Medikal?
I mean, I can open my Instagram DM so you check the conversation between Richie Rhymes and I. It was very cool, very pure organic. I mean, I have nothing against him, or I don't hold any old grudges against him or something. So in me, I don't have any problem with him. So we're cool. I have no problems with nobody. That's what I keep saying. I keep saying from day one. Somebody go few days somewhere and feel like they've got issues with me, but obviously must don't understand. I ain't got no issues with nobody. So yeah, me and Richie.
I'm sure one of his wishes or prayers is to get closer to your circles once again. And I don't know if that
word then they tell you, say, if me and you used to connect and then you splitted the gap, we go feel it cool, but it go be hard to, you know. It's here. It won't sit right with my spirit. That's how I am. But we cool. I don't have no problems with him. But him being part of my circle, I don't think that's going to work out.
That one, he's lost it forever.
I mean, I can't say he's lost it forever because obviously we all be human beings. So be any mechina. But my spirit then set it right if you could. Yeah.
Now, we also wonder, Shatawale doesn't lack, but Medikal is always giving him, buying phones for him, doing this for him. Why that as well?
Some early morning, Shatta come my house, come dash me 10,000 cedis, whatever that one. And then it's not just that. Shatta gives me a lot of links. He links me to most of some shows and some deals and stuff. So he helps me a lot as well. Yeah.
So you don't even consider it as he having more than you or you having more than. It's just about give and take.
Giving, because I know the matter. Because like, Ankalabadi in Sota, Epona, Chateau, say Epona, my own. Still, I told you, what is it? Given that way, you know, the matter say you get past this one get past you. I mean, of course, it's nice to give. It's cool.
Looking at Shatawale, his way of life and your friendship with him, there is something that you don't do. Maybe today we would ask why.
Okay.
Earlier, whilst we were having our discussion, Kobiche was thinking about why Medikal doesn't get involved in some conversations. For instance, industry conversation that you would expect. Medikal is now loud, very influential. Why is he not putting in a word or two so that the industry also take it up for discussion? You don't like doing that, or you don't do that. Is there any reason for that?
I mean, I always think carefully before I jump into certain issues, because at the end of the day, sometimes when you talk about stuff, they're not even taking serious. People, they play and then take it as a joke. You get me? So sometimes I don't feel like there's a necessity to involve myself in certain conversations.
Even when it involves the industry that you survive on?
I mean, I can talk about a few things involving the industry as well. But sometimes I just feel like, no, I shouldn't even just talk about it. Maybe things are going to get better. Yeah.
Because Medikal is okay, or what?
No, it's not even. I'm not okay. I always keep saying, like, me, I'm broke. I'm grinding. I'm telling you, I be broke. I dey grind. I dey look for money. So I'm not okay at all. I know they give small money chance, you understand? So, but obviously I would like make the industry get better, so we go make more money for the industry, and then, you know, take Ghana music to places.
No, but if you say you are broke, DJ S.3k will feel very sad today because...
Oh, S.3k. S.3k, why? But S.3k do it.
No, recently he brought a story to me, but I see Medikal. Yes, I checked the Medikal has ordered about something $150,000 chain, and you see, you said this and you are telling him that you are broke. How do you want him to take it?
I mean, yo, I'm always grinding every day because you've got some amount of money in your account, no?
Exactly.
Yeah, I mean, but you're still working every day because you want to keep stacking up. That's what I'm trying to talk about. Like, I'm still grinding. I need more money to do a lot of things. Yeah.
So really, did you order that chain for how much? 350,000?
No, it was I think 62K.
62K. Okay, okay. The conversion was in cedis, I guess. $62K. Have you gotten the chain yet?
Yeah, it's on my neck.
Oh, that's the one you wearing?
Yeah.
Please, can you remove your shirt a little bit? Just open it up a little bit so we see it. Oh wow! All the cameras are. So this is $62K.
Yeah.
What is in it? Won't you die when you wear it?
Right. I mean, when it comes to diamonds and stuff, the value never decreases. You understand? So maybe when I need some money, I can take this back and then get my money back with extra money.
And what was the inspiration to get this chain at this amount?
So I mean, I buy a lot of things where I don't even post them online. You get me? Sometimes it be the feel. You get me? Why somebody go buy iPhone 12 or iPhone 11 or iPhone whatever? It's because of the feel. You want to have it. When you have it, your confidence rises, or it makes you happy. You get me? This world, whatever makes you happy, just go for it. Yeah.
So why did you put this special one online? Because like you said, maybe you bought so many expensive things.
Yeah, I was bored. Sometimes when I'm bored, I post stuff and later I regret posting it. Sometimes I'm bored.
So do you regret on this one?
Yeah, a bit, because a lot of people, like some family members and all, felt like I'm wasting money. They don't get the fact that later it's a diamond and I can later get it sold. You get me?
They feel it's too expensive for you to spend money on.
Yeah.
So what does it mean? Next time you wouldn't show some of these things online?
I mean, I'm still gonna show, but I am percent me man kofu as I say. It be a props. It told be a prop. Told be I say because baby a prop. Baby a scan
So how often do you do such props?
When I'm shooting music videos, sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So most of the things we see you holding or having in music videos, most of them are props.
Of course, if you see models twerking on me, that's not. Unless I fell out with you can't see me on a regular day where models twerking on me. So now move for no, you can't see that on a normal day.
Props. But the chain there is not a prop. That is what you are wearing.
Yeah.
James Kweku, have you seen it? $62K. James Kweku doesn't have the $1K one. Now, Medikal, I think some few weeks ago you tweeted that in January you were not going to give your fans music.
Yeah.
And some of us were confused that why is the baby making you so busy so you don't get studio time to record or something? Why that tweet?
I feel like I had to give that time frame, like some space to work more on myself and some other things that I'm yet to unleash. You get me? Because I feel like I've dropped too many songs in the system, and then my voice is everywhere. So I wanted to go for a break for 31 days. That was the plan. Yeah, that's it.
But you said you don't stop working. You are always grinding. So why a music break?
I mean, when I don't drop the song, it doesn't mean I'm not recording. You get me? I still have loads of work out there in the studio. I've got loads of music videos I'm yet to drop. So I was working when I wasn't dropping songs. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah.
So is the break officially over now?
Yeah, it's officially over.
So what is about to happen next now that you've taken your 31-day break out of music?
On the 5th of February, I'm dropping my first official single in the year 2021, titled Yesu. Nyami, Nyami, sorry.
It is titled Nyami.
Yeah.
And that is just, I think, this Friday.
Yes, please.
Is Medikal alone on the song, or you have another voice on it?
It's just me. It was produced by MOG. It was shot by KT.
Yeah, has something changed with Medikal and his lyrics when it comes to rap?
El Chaman will be different person. El Chaman will be same as Medikal. That'll be some of the things people don't know. I'm a whole different person. You get me? I went through a different trance, and then I came as El Chaman. Yeah. I'm a different artist. You get what I'm saying?
Because yesterday, I think we were going to Akosomo whilst we were coming. They said now Medikal is raw on lyrics when it comes to rap. Like some things you go raw, you say it, and people are loving it.
Yeah, but I think that's how it's supposed to be.
Okay, so that part is the El Chaman.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So which part is the Medikal?
I don't know. But this is not Medikal, this will be El Chaman. Maybe later if we do another interview, I will come as Medikal.
So today I'm interviewing El Chemano.
Yeah, and then it's good because El Chemano is a very expensive brand. You normally shouldn't get it for free, you understand? But yeah, I'm here because you're a legend, and then I've been wanting to come here for a very long time. You get me?
Thank you.
That's why I said I thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
I appreciate your coming as well.
Yeah.
But now I've been enjoying your lyrics, your wordplay, your style. Is it out of growth or you are learning hard?
I think I know if you talk say it be growth, learning hard, working hard, it be God. You understand? Because a lot of people are growing, they are working hard, they are getting money to put on the music industry, whatever, and it's still not working for them. You get me? So, but what happens to El Chemano? Anything I put my voice on is a blessing. Boom, it's out everywhere. And then it's God engineering. And you get some technical team where then they go rounds, they put CDs on rotation, whatever. DJs, I mean, just show me love. You get me? And all be God. You understand? Yeah, like my boss where they sit out there right there. They play my song a lot. They gotta play my song a lot, and I know that for sure. And then be say I meet them, give them money, say make you play my song before. I never change numbers or that, but he shows me love, and that be God. You understand? So that's all I can say. God is doing the things right. I'm just working.
Okay. What do you consider before you feature on someone else's song?
It depends on my mood. Sometimes it be the mood. Sometimes if I like the song, I'll just jump on it.
Because for the past days, I think we've interviewed some ladies here that Medikal featured on their song. So I was even asking them, why did you guys wait till Medikal got married before everyone is running to him for feature?
I don't know. Maybe El Chemano is special.
No, they all say it. I think Jamila was here.
Yeah, Jamila, shouts to Jamila.
Yeah, and another lady too, whose name I've forgotten.
Okay.
No. Some German lady be. Oh, some hot girl be. She has some serious.
Oh, Kim? Yeah.
Kim.
She's dope as well.
Yeah. They all came here and said, why did you guys wait till the El Chemano got married before now everybody is running to him? So is it so expensive to feature Medikal, or some of them you do on charity basis?
Sometimes it depends on my team. Sometimes I don't get to make the decision. That's why I said I'm not the boss of my sector or my circle. Flo Deli can make decisions, Kwame Zin can make decisions, DJ Mike Smith can make decisions, everybody go fi make decisions. So sometimes too they feel like I shouldn't be on it. When they talk, I can't do nothing about it because I need to respect what they are talking about. You get me? Yeah.
But what will be the biggest consideration, as in how much is involved or the quality of the song?
Mostly it's not even about the money. If I don't like the song, I don't care if they give me $100,000, I know we'll jump on them. If I don't like it, it depends on the mood and it depends on what the team will say.
I see. Now let's come back to the Journey documentary. Is it ready now?
It's ready, but I'm yet to fix in some more scenes. Then we drop it. We're supposed to, show where it's gotten so far at my dinner tonight, but it got cancelled because the president said we can't do social gathering and that. So obviously we rescheduled it, but it's going to come out soon.
So what is the real concept? What is really going to be part of the Journey documentary?
So the journey is about my life. It's about what we do every day, where we go, how things work in a camp. I mean, some of the fans really love to see all of that. So I felt like I should do something like that. It's not always that I need to do music videos and drop music videos and that. Obviously, sometimes I need to keep them something else, something very exciting as well. And the journey is actually very exciting. I mean, there's the regular things, maybe, like, it be the same regular things where people they see, but it be different. This be more like intimate, you get me? Yeah.
So the journey is not going to be like acting, it's going to be real, like the real Medikal life.
No, it not be acting at all. It be real. I did talk about how far God has brought the whole brand and then the whole Medikal, El Chemano, AMG Beyond Control.
See, is Medikal still an ambassador for the Pinaman Cosmetics?
Yeah.
For how many years do you have to do before?
We signed for 1 year. Yeah.
Because I know some months later, some months passed, so many issues came up here and there. Some were even saying that some of the figures came out were not correct, and they were doing it to let Medikal and the wife look good and all that. How do you respond to some of these things?
See, Bras, I mean, God has blessed me so much that sometimes I need to hide when I'm outside. You get me? That be how bad it be. So I no go chase something where go make somebody advertise me for nothing. I mean, you are a very clever person. When you see news like that, obviously I know that the normal people way they don't really know the showbiz go believe some things they see on the news. But come on, I no go fee just advertise something for free. So you should know that I got paid. I got some fat check for what I was doing, and I'm still working with Pinaman Cosmetics, and it's a good brand actually. I think some of the influencers got problems with the owner of the brand, and then they brought some mishappenings here and there. But yeah, very cool.
Apart from Pinaman Cosmetics, are there other products you are an ambassador to?
So last week I just signed a new deal with Pizza Man. They sell food, they sell like all types of food. They do pizza, they do fried rice, noodles. They have branches in Kumasi. They are yet to open branches in Accra as well. Yeah, I mean, we're working
okay
still.
So still on brand Medikal, some people think Medikal is not a fashionista. Sometimes I see them coming at you here and there. What is the thing that they are not getting with you and how you appear?
You see, maybe somebody go like go boutique, then see some Nike. Maybe the Nike be 150 cedis. Go buy some jeans, 40 cedis. Then buy some hat, it maybe at 80 cedis. But me, when I buy most of my stuff when I travel, like when I go abroad, I walk into the Gucci shop. So I might buy some Gucci, maybe rag, like maybe $1,000. That'd be like 6K. So maybe I go wear some normal top and down, then put a Gucci rag on my neck. You might think that I don't know how to dress, but I'm wearing your rent, probably, you understand? So I don't blame people because I think ignorance is bliss. You can't do nothing about it.
So when you hear some of this and when you see them posting some of these things online, does it make you think, okay, should I employ a stylist or something?
Oh, there be me here stylist. The air person. Forget it. Forget it. My closest room they see there, nobody they sleep there. My shoes they chill. I'm saying so back and forth, So
it is ignorance on their part, not knowing how expensive you look.
I know I'm more like I feel good wearing what I'm wearing. That's it.
I see. Now let's come home. I know you are now a married man, just as I am. So we have some things in common. What is your greatest fear in marriage?
I never want to lose my wife. That's it.
As in lose her to death or out of the marriage?
To anything. I want it to be like this for life. Yeah, that's all I can say.
I see. So what do you do to prevent that from happening?
We have sex a lot. We have a lot of conversations. We make plans together. We do businesses together. We buy a lot of properties. Last week we just bought some new stuff at East Legon Hills. Crazy. We're working.
So who is the sex addict, you or Fella?
Both.
She likes it and you also like it.
I love it. She loves it. That's it.
I see. Yeah. How many children do you intend to have?
Maybe 20. I want a lot of children. I used to think that I should just get one boy, one girl, but 4 of them I was like, nah, why don't I create a whole football team, a whole army? Because so that this one go fit take care of me, this one go fit watch me, this one go fit buy me this one go fit. So I tell my wife, say, yo, we anytime we go pregnant, we go born. No family planning.
I see. So now the island is about some 4 months or 6 months old. Is the next one on the way or yet to?
I see. That's all I can say.
I see. Now your baby's name, Island. I know it became a hot topic for discussion in Ghana. Like in school, those who studied geography, when you say island, we know what we picture. But now it is a name of a young girl, a little baby. Why Island?
Island because she's special. I feel like she's a very special child. She's isolated from a lot of things that breeds in evil and in distractions and demarcations and whatever. And I feel like Island is just special. I love the name Island actually, and then I named an EP after her as well because I wanted to dedicate it to her. So Island Frimpong is basically she's chilling at home right now. Yeah, that's it.
Fella was a girlfriend and now a wife. Would you still be taking her to musical platforms or stages, dance with her? Sometimes you press her ass on stage. Would you still be doing that now that she's a wife?
Oh, you just made me know that I can curse on the radio. We can swear.
Small, not deep.
I mean, yeah, of course, we have fun. So yeah, we're still chilling. Nothing changed ever since we got married. Actually, things are still the same. I mean, even better. But yeah, we're still gonna do the same things that we used to do. Whatever we used to do, we're still gonna keep doing it.
And do you select which show she follows you to perform on the stage?
No, you know, we actually don't plan that. Sometimes it just happens. Baby, I go to the show. Oh, then we go. Okay, then we go. That's it. You know the plan. You know if you pay out. You know if you pay out. Yeah.
But the other day she said that sometimes she also agrees with you and you guys charge for appearance for her as well.
Yeah, that's when the people want Fella Makafui to come with Medikal. That's different. But if I'm going to help my fan, maybe let's say I'm going to the Blacks Club, I'm going to chill. Sometimes she decides to come along with me and then just go out and that's it.
Now, as big brands like you, I know sometimes wives are uncomfortable when ladies are all around you. Is Fella sometimes showing some of these signs?
Like what?
Like jealousy. Maybe she's seen you with another lady here and, babe, what's up? Why are you there? That kind of vibe.
I mean, if your girlfriend or wife no be jealous, she know they love you. That's all I can say.
So it's obvious that she has been jealous sometimes.
Of course.
But does it affect business also sometimes? Because I know when it becomes too much. Now, even when you have to go do business, you are thinking about what your wife will say.
No, it doesn't affect business. Yeah.
She knows when to come in and when not to come in.
Yes, please.
Are you still a friend to Sister Debbie?
I mean, I don't get any enemy. That's all I can say. I don't have any problems with no one and all. But yeah, she's doing her thing, and I'm also in my lane right now.
But no conversation, or still you guys have a conversation sometimes?
No, please.
No conversation at all. Wow. El Chamano is with me in the studio, and I know it has been a great vibe. Now, El Chamano, let's talk about industry. Not long ago, Okraku Mante's name has come up as Deputy Minister Designate for our creative art industry. So many people have come up with their positions, what they think about him. Not long ago, Shatawale, for instance, went hard and wild on him. What is your position on Okraku as our Deputy Minister for Tourism and Arts?
I mean, I don't know much about that, but if he is, I really hope he ensures that our music and our creative art industry emerge. You get me, gets better and better. That's all I can say.
But do you know much about him? Maybe what he's been able to achieve for him to get that position that controls what you do for Survivor?
Obviously, I've seen that he does touch some angles. I've seen a couple of articles and stuff, but I don't really know much about him. Yeah, but whatever he's doing, the position he has been given, make sure say he go fit sport there for we, then make things get better. That way all I go fit up.
Nice one. Yeah. After winning the best rapper in the VGMAs, has it added something to brand Medikal?
I mean, it just brought clarity that maybe Medikal really the rap. That's it. Yeah, because I mean, sometimes some people want to see plaques and stuff before they believe in your craft that much. So that's all I can say. Just make people know, say, Medikal in coach really the rappers.
But are you boastful about it that, hey, in Ghana, I am holding the best rapper crown?
No, the thing is, say, me, before I was given that award, I knew that I was best at what I was doing. Yeah, so I've been boastful since. You know, the award will come spark my level of boasting, you understand? I mean,
you have been tipped that this year most of the music award schemes you're going to have, Medikal stands tall in winning the ultimate, maybe Vodafone Ghana Music Awards, maybe 3 music awards. The other day when your wife came here, she also confirmed that yes, based on your hard work, she thinks you deserve to win in most of these ultimate award categories. Would you be surprised when maybe at the end of the day some of these things swerve you?
I mean, it'd be normal. This is not the first time. If you swerve me, it will be the first time you swerve me. They nominated me 7 times, like I think 3-4 years ago. I didn't even get one. From that time, I still say no. It's not even about awards, because after that, I still kept going hard and hard. There's people who have won Artist of the Year, and then like nobody hear from them. Like over the past few years, you understand. So it's not even about award. Like plaques are fine. I mean, if I win, I'll be happy. Of course, who doesn't love to win? But if I don't, I mean, I'm just trying to make money and then make my family happy and make myself happy and entertain my fans. That's all I can say.
Let's go back. I think before we started this year, you were in USA for some recording deals. You stayed there for some time. What really was the agenda?
So I went to Audio Mac. I was dropping an album, and they were part of the people promoting the album for me as well. So I went there, we had a little discussion and recorded a couple of songs as well. Yeah.
And are they out? The songs, are they yet to come out, or they are going to be different?
Yeah. I mean, I already dropped the La Hustle.
Oh, it was one of the songs.
Yeah, it was last year. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And La Hustle, I hear it has done 1 million streams already.
Yes, please.
What does it mean? More money, more hard work?
It means more happiness.
Okay.
Yeah. But La Hustle is actually a very deep song. It's actually like a gospel. People should consider it to be, because they tell you, say, you for look for money, you for hustle, like no matter where you did, because Dangote still they look for money, you understand? Even Akufo-Addo, you understand? As then they do this election, he did campaign again, because you can't be comfortable, you get me, no matter what, you still keep wanting more and more, even though he's already been a president before, you get me? And even Mahama's been a president before, but I wanted to come and see again. So obviously, I feel like everybody should hustle, everybody should look for money. Yeah.
Are we going to do the So-Tum concert again? The Welcome Back to So-Tum concert?
Yeah, we go do them. We go do them.
Because I know so many issues happened, and I was thinking they might have discouraged you from doing it again.
Yeah, I mean, we go do them still. Let's pray this virus will be eradicated, so we can commence our normal lifestyle, because the president just shut down social gatherings again, you get me? And then a lot of people are starving. Me, like myself, I'm a musician, and then you know, when you ban social gatherings and stuff, obviously it means no concerts for us and that. So I'm praying this virus disappears so we can come back to our normal lives. Yeah.
When you are home, how father is Medikal?
I'm a very sweet person. For those who don't know, a lot of people see me like this hard guy. I mean, to be a jump normal, something you know for what I say, normal. But at the end of the day, you know, you have to make sure you straighten things at home as well. Like, I want my daughter to have the best life. I want her to be able to make decisions where she feels a good favor. If maybe I see she meander in a different way, I can correct or try to straighten her as well. So yeah, I can't say I'll be the best dad, but I'll make sure I do my best.
So do you even get time to play with her, like the way fathers do, carry their babies around?
Yeah, of course. I'm always playing with my baby. I'm always watching her. I'm always having fun with her. Yeah, she's lovely and she's growing. She's 5 months. She turned 5 months 2 days ago.
Wow.
Yeah.
Shout outs to Island Friend Paul, man. All right, so I still have my panel members here. Maybe I'm not done, but let me give them some space to enter, and after that we'll come back to wrap up. I know it has been revealing, very, very interesting conversation with AMG Beyond Control Bond. That is Medikal. Okay, Nana Yaredu is here, Yao Gray is here, Kobiche is here, and Richmond Abufa Sapon is also here. Now, from rapper to rapper, let me start with Yao Gray. Yao, any question? What are you telling your man, AMG? Asking, but your mic ni na I say what my mic no.
Yeah.
Ada.
Yeah, he's like Obi Obe Minim, and I say Ukra Obinima. He's one of the rappers. I always say me feeling ya omoye. Even the last time you asked me if he should be the list about winning artists for this year in Yomano, I rooted for him. And you know, all I just want to say is Janka Town Akwani Fella say,
oh, too much.
Too much.
Yeah.
Too much. Someone on the phone.
That's my guy.
It means me train me phone.
I didn't ask him. No.
I just want to say, yo, I just like him, Michelle, because Reggie posted the old video be. It's Michelle, sad video, no sad time, and I'm share now. I just want to say, why inspire a lot of rappers coming up, and I just want you to know, never feel sad you haven't fulfilled or you haven't done what you want to do. If you have fun to say, I'll tell you, say you've done your part. And Minjindi say, no matter what people will criticize, no matter send your TV, they will criticize. But as a rapper, I'll tell you, say, bro, you've done it, you're doing it, just keep doing what you're doing.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Yao Gray. Mr. Che, Kobe Che, Medikal. You good?
All right, I'm good. Poof. And I say Uncle Poof view.
Oh, once I'm just a chairman, a different person. You know, we ref.
Nice. So I have some few questions. Then maybe the last one will be an advice.
Okay.
Okay. So the first one is best rapper category in almost all the award schemes. Do you want it to be voted by technical members, or we should add the public to it? I'm asking this because you go on social media and best rapper always. I think some few days ago you were trending on Twitter, and fans will go like, okay, Medikal, Flow, Strong, and all that. In award scheme, do you want it to be voted by technical people who really understand rap, so that they won't put it out there for the public to vote and say, probably you are good on that particular record that you brought out, but because someone don't like you, they will say that, okay, so Medicare didn't force for you. So will you suggest that there should be technical people handling best rapper category?
I think that one for there should be that one, and then the public for also do them apart. Maybe we can split it. That's
just as they've been doing, a percentage for the public, a percentage for the board members as well.
I think so. Because if you can't say you are giving the whole thing to the board members though, or they are giving the whole thing to the public as well. You get what I'm saying? So maybe they should balance the equation. That's my opinion.
Okay. Now, in your recordings, will you always wish that you be in the studio with the artist and the engineer to start from the scratch, or you always want people to send you the beats? Which one do you feel comfortable?
Both. Because I've worked with those. Uncle Beat Like This is my in-house producer. Most of the songs, mostly like let's say 90%, we start from the scratch. You get me? But songs like La Hustle and some other songs were already made beats by other producers. You get me? Big up A-Town, big up Krebs, big up MOG. They send me beats as well. The song where they come drop on Friday, EBMOG will play them. So sometimes I like to balance as well. And I don't mind, yeah.
Okay. I had a question on documentation, and I like the question Mr. Ban asked you.
Okay.
That you have something coming out.
The journey.
Okay. What is a documentary of your music journey? Yeah. And I think that is a big deal, because even in my conversation with Yvonne Nelson, my interview with Yvonne Nelson yesterday, asked me, and she's also coming out something like that. Okay. That in our parts of the world, we forget easily the journey that people have gone through, regards to their hard work. I mean, look at. I see your old video when you were freestyle. I'm like, yo. So the next generation, are they going to come to see? And fortunately for you, you have social media, so some of this video will be there. But the next generation, when you put this documentation together, it makes sense for them to appreciate that we had a rapper who came to do this or bless the nation. So that's thing. I think that you should do it more.
Thank you.
So that documentary thing is a plus. Now, when Stonebwoy came here the last time, we had a conversation about having a music museum where your pictures, some of you, your pictures will be there. So that in the next generation, it should be like a national museum where we walk into it, your daughter will walk into it and say, yo, some years ago, my dad was part of the best rappers in Ghana. Will you suggest that we have that national museum where pictures of some of our greatest musicians will be there?
Yeah, I think that's a very great idea. That if it's well implemented, like the same way Chase saying, it will be very great, because people forget things easily. But when there's always something, artifacts, when there are crafts or like plaques or let's say pictures, like a museum with stuff placed, old musicians or like us, because then we can't do this music thing forever, and then our kids are going to live, and our kids, it would be nice for them to go meet something like that and see that's their great grandfather or something.
Now, music plugins. What are some of the steps or measures you put in plugging your music so that your music will be heard in Togo, Cote d'Ivoire, Nigeria, and other African countries?
Honestly, we put a lot of money in streaming platforms like TuneCore, Spotify, all of that, because they pitch it to other areas, you get me? And then we've got people in the UK we work with who make sure they take it there for us. So gradually, I mean, I think we'll be getting better, because first then, you know, if you go YouTube, go watch video, you know, if you go iTunes, and be cassette and CD, but right now, so far, we they upgrade small, they get some music streams as well too. Yeah.
So my last advice would be, I think I've noticed something with Medikal regards to your performances, and I think you have to really work more hard with regards to your breath control on stage, because you're a rapper, and sometimes I've noticed that when you're on stage you get so excited seeing the crowd, so the push swag, so when you're done sharing the crowd, it affects your breath control. So you have to now pay attention to your breath control, so that we will hear the clarity, so that we won't hear you panting on the microphone. I think something that I have personally noticed, so that in going forward, you know that, okay, you are going to take your breath control exercise extremely serious, or when you're on stage, you know how you can manage it, because once you have a flop in your breath control, it will affect your pitches. And so I think in going forward, you have to work on your breath control, so that you avoid some of these things.
Thank you very much, but I'll answer that. I mean, first of all, you should know I'm a rapper, you understand? And then when I'm on stage, it's live. I'm not recording it to release it for it to suit people that my ears. And of course, when I see the crowd, I get excited. That's why I came. That's why I get paid, bro. You understand? So at the end of the day, if I come in and I come show perfection, or I come show them say I did rap, no, I didn't come. I know they come the stage, come make you not say I did rap. You know I did rap. I want to come and fuck with you. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. I won't come up with so sometimes if I see that a lot, I see say people, they say he's breathing. Yeah, nigga, of course I have to be breathing. I'm jumping. And they jump at the same time. It not be easy. You know if you do you understand? That's why
and especially your weight, like you are heavy.
Yeah, man's heavy, man ain't got 6 packs and shit, but you get what I'm saying? So you have to appreciate that I'm even panting, because I'm working. You know, if you give me 100,000 Ghana cedi, I'll come do. Oh, bro, no, I have to fucking shout, nigga. Yeah. It is what it is.
It is what it is. Yeah. I know. Okay, Nana Radio is next on the MIC. Yeah. Man says he's got no 6 packs, man.
Yeah, he's heavy. Right, first off, I want to say that today, listening to Medikal, I'm very excited. With team Medikal interviews in the past, and today I can say that the growth is amazing. Like the understanding of the questions and even how to deliver it, where he has to put in humor, he puts the humor. I mean, for instance, when he said they have a lot of sex, I'm sure it caught you off guard. Yeah, because you didn't expect it.
No, not at all.
And
that we all love it though.
And after some of the technical questions you asked, that's probably it will be per headline, like the Shatawale angle, the Showboy angle. Because you all know, I'll say Showboy, that's in affect time, you understand, in his rap line, some time ago. So, but the way he handled the questions, and the way he took his time to explain every part of it, shows a big growth. So I'm very, very proud. And Medikal is also like an example of, if you're a rapper, you can be at the top. It's not only one person that can be a rapper and be at the top. You know, he's proving to us that rappers can also, another rapper can also be at the top for a very long time, because from all the hits that was played today, Timu say, yeah, but one thing I also want to say is I want to big up the team. You know, people don't talk about the team that follow artists. Every day is about the artists. I want to big up Flow, man, and the team, because you see, it's not easy to put an artist in shape. Some of the things, as maybe a manager and a PA who are online, you message show say be an artist who, how will he feel? Maybe I make a cry or yes some or mood be or the recording bill. Maybe some article be baba. It really makes sense. So I mean, for them to be able to put the artist in shape, get him ready to record his music, get him to be a father, get him to be here. Like, I want to pick up the team. It's not easy. People see artists working with Interact, no more and say, oh, now Joe even told that. You know what I mean? Say, backstage to get the artist ready, you will clap. I'm telling you. I mean, I've worked with a lot of artists, so I know what goes into like those who are behind the artists. That's why, and I like the answer he gave that in his team, Obia team suggested, and yes, say one-man champion or captain final. You get me? It makes the team appreciate that we are all doing this together. Yeah, baby, I echo. Into Obia team, Obia footwear, and everything. Because two heads are always better than one. So I want to back up the team led by Flo. What am I saying? The more Emmanuel dropping those bangers, whatever they're doing right to get him to drop the songs back to back, they should keep doing it. Now, so in our creative sector, loyalty is always bridged at a very least point. When you think about yourself for a minute, you might destroy a whole relationship and a whole line of things. Do you understand? So I want him to know, fight is by normal. Arguments will come. It be normal thing we do, human job we do, and we want apart. Everybody be creative. So the fact that you see him some way, me I know they see him some way, they mean say we cannot agree to see him in one particular way. So the way that they do I pray that in the next 10 years, as if they go take the Grammy and things come Africa, no, they be the same team. You get me? We go pop the champagne. So say one person will go sit, one person will go sit back and talk. Say I was part of the people where they make the guy right now. No, Joe, when I was like, yeah. So when I would try, as we go, mistakes will come. We go correct the mistakes. We will keep building. So big up to the team and big up to Flo. We are all putting in work to make them AMG Medical. Stay AMG Medical. God bless.
Thank you so much, Nana. You're already well spoken. Let me move on to Richmond Amofasapon. He is actually a team member, so I know he'll be doing more. I know he'll be doing more PR. So after Richmond, I'll come in with my last batch of questions before we run away.
So what I'll say is I've seen the work. I mean, I go there a lot, so sometimes at dawn I see how they work together, the hard work and all of that. I think this year we've already said, Fella was here, the artist of the year. You yourself, you know it. So everybody should. Everybody should.
No go raise my fans and my whole side. Don't me I know working out to.
Even true.
Me and my wife girls.
But anyway, so we are hopeful. We are seriously hopeful.
No shaking.
For India, I was really not being focused, though it be cool, but we there, the fans, we there one time.
Engine code room looks good. Engine room looks good. Yeah.
So I think I won't say much. I mean, I'll allow the other panel members to say it. I mean, it's a good work and they are doing so well. So,
so you came to do promotion for our water. Okay. So when I come in, I'm about doing my last batch of interviews with Medikal. But Medikal, let's do this one.
If you know be a town don't like this, I'm a town when you might go she. You sleep on the boy Toshi. Well, then try shoot me. Now strong coming Odeshi. And why no? Why? Me am a docono, me am a hono. Obedient to me, Mifobia, Drassa, me am a bono. Then I didn't want you. Pow, no be today. I dey look for money like you be hide and seek with the play. Sweet like chicken fillet. Promote and then find the sick and the mugu go pay. Tuition I confirm me, Baba to pay. Yeah, dodgy traffic, we know the delay. We know the carry last. The barrier. Just a mere recipe. Now I say emojis in Kwan, I know the top plenty. If you hear say, me and my niggas to fight, maybe we play MK. When I stay everywhere like in the winter, Joe hustler for chop king K. But me di mame, la hustle, yes I la. One tower shika in Geje Nabu, say Nabu, la hustle, yes I la. One tower shika in Geje Nabu,
Thank you so much. That was a quick performance there from AMG. AMG, you can take your seat. We are about doing the last batch before we leave here. Now, the next question will be, do you always have it at the back of your mind that let me put all my cash or my investment in my music videos because I'll get it back?
Yes, please. Of course. Because if you know they believe in something growing or something bringing more cash, you know, go invest in them. So yeah, that's how it works out.
And has it been profitable? All the investment you've done so far, has it been profitable?
Yeah, I mean, sometimes business, they feel make profits, they feel make loss. But so far, I can't complain. It's been good.
I see. Now, still on music. Now, we know in our music industry, rap music is selling on the drill beats. Should Medikal fans expect some drill beats from you in the near future?
Drill beats? Like me making a beat myself?
No. As in those who are doing the drill songs. Is Medikal about to release something like that?
Like a drill? Yeah. La hustle be drill.
I know, but what I mean is, is that now the focus of our rap music in Ghana?
I can't say that's the focus, but obviously drill to be part of hip hop. You know, we get hip hop, we get boom, boom, check, boom, boom, check. That's not a drill beat. That's a normal maybe where 808 with a kick and a snare or whatever. But drill is a bit different. You get me? Yeah, of course, it be part of hip hop. So therefore, expect more and then other type of music.
In fact, I like this statement. The drill statement. And I like that
I
statement.
don't make any statement. I might won't find problem for me.
Oh no, open program also.
Yeah.
Because the Friday song coming, I don't know, something tells me it is going to be of a nature like that.
We will see. We will see. But I like the fact that Ghanaians really they pay attention to rap music, you understand? And it's very nice to see that because it's easy to say like over rapping like people are gonna fuck with you that much, you understand? But right now I think that the system have thrown more light on rap music, so it's a nice feeling as well.
What is this new look about Medikal and Mask?
That's why it tells it. You know, El Chamano is a different person. You understand? Yeah. I mean, El Chamano, I say on your papa or any man like a bit different. He doesn't. Yeah.
And he, we are the who is your papa. What as in wearing a mask? Oh,
Sano be who know, but El Chamano no who say cool. It's cool to put a mask on. I mean,
COVID mask.
Why not? And I see and share mask. President is saying share mask. I bet you. I mean, best me.
I see. So how many of these masks do you have?
I have a lot. Yeah, I have a lot of them. I'm uncountable though, but yeah, I get a couple.
And how much do you spend on some of these things?
Oh, this is gonna be expensive. Me too quiet on me too be. Whenever I travel, I buy a lot. Me too quiet, me too be.
White one they expensive.
How do you know? On the catcher was expensive.
No, white one. I've got myself a problem.
Is that white one they're expensive? What was the last time you performed though? I know now performances have been on the low.
I performed 2 days ago.
At where?
Kaswa.
Oh yeah. I think I saw the publicity for that.
Yeah.
I was out of town, so I'm sure that's how come I never followed.
Yeah.
What was the concert about? What was that gig about?
It was a pool party. I think it was a new place they were reopening, so it was Foresight TV team that with Poolside Hotel, and then we went to jam. That's it.
And sometimes during the lockdown, the time that showbiz people were very slow, did you miss the stage?
Of course. Of course. Driver behind drive your fist here. So
it is true.
Yeah.
So now when I travel abroad and I don't drive, I wake up and I feel like, why am I?
Uber. I mean, I work as if you.
I see.
Yeah.
Do you also spend money promoting your videos on maybe the MTV basis and all that, or you think Ghana, you've done the job, so let me relax?
No, we spend a lot on promotion. I was saying that earlier that sometimes we've got people who picture for us and then it goes to the global, you get me? But small we'll be putting more and more work to make sure the craft gets higher and higher.
Earlier you said if a lady doesn't show signs of jealousy, then it means there is no love.
Yes, please.
How about the guy? Is Medikal also sometimes jealous when maybe guys come and they are spying Fella, or when Fella gets closer to some guys?
I mean, it be vice versa. It be the same thing. If now we are Bama, that's all again boy for air chat. No more show love. Now what's here and found one. It's now way. Send you all like okay between y'all.
So is it fear on your part, or maybe you think that no, you can't trust anybody in this world?
Oh no, I mean, of course, there's trust and all, but sometimes the feelings matter the most. You get me? So obviously, if you see something, you just ask. Most of the times, and yet the say what I say. Sometimes it's just business, but but obviously you get jealous when you got love for someone. For sure.
Earlier in your submission, you said you feel broke. in other words, you think you've not achieved everything you want to achieve yet.
Yeah.
What is the bigger plan for Medikal that you think, because you've not achieved that, you still see yourself as a broke guy?
You know, the hunger for success, it never the end. You can never get satisfied in life. A man who is satisfied is a fool. That's what I can say, because at the end of the day, they still run Facebook, they still run Instagram, but they've got money, but they're still running it because they want more and more. And I don't think when you get $1 million, you say because you got $1 million, you're gonna sell at home, you're not gonna work. Of course, these are $1 million and I better. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, you just got to be content, but work for more. That's what I can say.
In the rap space, what would you want to be remembered for as Medikal?
Medikal for be somebody where people for watch them say, no matter what people say about you, you should forget everybody and just do your thing. That's it. That's how I've been from day one. And then that's how God keeps blessing me. Yeah.
Okay. Let me take you back. Not long ago, I think somewhere in 2019, no, 2020 rather, you tweeted that you'll be signing on some 2 artists.
Yeah.
How far so far?
I'm still working on it. And then COVID, we have slowed down a lot of things, but that's why I'm saying that we're praying that this deadly virus goes away so we can come back to normal. But yeah, it will happen for sure. Yeah.
So the artists you are planning to sign, are they people you have waiting for official documentation already, or you are now scouting for?
I'm still scouting. Yeah, I still the scout. I still the look through. I still the hear. With me, I'm a very different person. I like to hear something different. I don't like to hear people sounding like somebody I know. I like to hear something very different. You get me? Yeah.
So what can I do? Maybe I'm a talent. What can I do to catch your eye that when the time comes and Medikal is about to pen, I might be lucky? What can I do?
I mean, people tag me a lot with their videos, like freestyles on Instagram. They send it to me on Snapchat. They DM it to me. So I keep looking through. So if you send me stuff in my DM, or maybe you tag me with something and I see, and then I listen to it and I fuck with it, of course we can work something.
So what it means that those who would want such an opportunity, what they have to do is to be sending you their works, making sure that you see their works.
Yes, please.
And that will be the secret.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys, so you know what to do. Now, I know in our game, so many artists who tried to do this, some of them started very well, but it did not end too well for them. And now that you also want to do it, have you considered all of these things, the ups and downs in another artist, managing another artist on the label? Have you considered all these things?
Yeah, I mean, sometimes it works out, sometimes it don't, but me, I put everything in the hands of the Lord and I just keep doing my part. And then when I do my part and God elevates wherever it is, then it's fine. When it doesn't work, maybe it's not meant to work. That's what I believe in. Yeah.
Should the person be a rapper or a singer?
It don't matter though. I'm trying to find a girl and a boy.
Oh, I see.
One girl, one boy. Maybe the guy can sing and rap, or maybe just sing, or maybe just rap. The girl can sing and rap, or maybe just sing, or maybe just rap.
Yeah. And what is the idea proper? Is it to sign them onto a 360 label, or you want to manage them as in the flow, or anybody can manage them? How do you want to do it?
No, I'm just putting them on. I don't want the money. I don't want no deal. I don't want no contract. I just want to help them. That's it. I don't want no deal. Same thing what they did for me, I'm doing the same thing.
So those people you pick, you are not going to sign any contract with them, as in, come and let's sign a 5-year deal.
No. You know, be now they come sign you, make we sign some paper, make you blow, make you go play show, bring me 20%. No, I just want to put people on so they can have something for themselves.
Wow.
Yeah.
I pray that it hits someone very soon.
Yeah.
I know sometimes some fans online disturb you with Medikal, give me this, Medikal, give me that. Sometimes it gets annoying. But how do you handle it?
It depends. I mean, sometimes you're in the mood, sometimes you're not in the mood. Sometimes you have money, sometimes you don't have money. So sometimes it depends on the mood you're in, it depends on your current state, if you can offer that help the person is asking or not. But I never get annoyed because it's normal. Yeah.
So do you do it often? Maybe that's why they have been asking all the time?
I mean, I can't say I do it often, but when I'm in my comfort zone, I feel like I can do it, yeah, of course I do it.
I see. Now the next thing is, now in your career, I know you have so many plans. That the plans, are they Ghana limited or to the world?
It's to the blood clot world. I mean, we won't fly go the level. I be the person who with the medical be 5 years ago, and not be me with the see it right now. You get me? So obviously we try push things to the limit, and then the aim is to take Ghana music out there. The aim is to make Ghana music so enticing that people are gonna love to come to our country more and more. You get me? Yeah.
Now let's talk about international features. Do you have interest in doing that more?
Yeah, I have a couple of features coming out as well. I have some already recorded, and I'm working towards some as well.
Your song with Davido, I know some fans who think the song did not go to the level they wanted it to go. Do you admit to that? Is there something you did not do? That's why it was like that.
I mean, the song with Davido, it be inspirational song. Some of the songs I just do them for like people purposely. You understand? I want make people listen to them and not say it go be for them. You understand? So sometimes I don't record that, this song should go so I make money off it, or this song should go and blow. No, some of the songs we not say if you drop them, be song where then go the jam I'm crazy, but it go make somebody never give up in life. And then it made that impact. So it's got over 1 million views on YouTube. So I mean 1 million for no set and I'm share.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. That only a back up.
Make sure crowd that. Maybe share that.
On the two YouTube don't watch a key.
Share that.
Wow, you don't have the time, I guess.
Me, it was some year from my fans.
Okay, I think some 2 weeks ago I was having a conversation with Shatta Wale about music streams, earnings, and Shatta is of the view that the streams are really not paying artists like artists want us to believe. I don't know whether in your case it's a different case, or maybe you also confirming what Shatta is saying to me.
Yeah, I mean it's true. It's something they come by. They pay that much way. Like you forgive we as musicians. Like I mean, obviously we know for so far as we get song out there, like there should be a system where we get paid. We say we only show where we go play before we get some block. You understand? Yeah.
So now that the streams are not giving you guys much, and now the industry seems to be relying on that area for returns, how are you guys going to manage your lifestyle?
I mean, we are working on it, and then like I said, the way things were 3 or 5 years ago, we so things today now. So we are praying for the betterment of the whole situation. Yeah.
In Ghana, do you take money, or do you get money from an organization like Gamro?
Me, I've never. I don't know if Delhi, you get money from Gamro before. No. Me, I don't get any money from Gamro before. And I GH Kweku, why baby? Why do you show?
No, is it because you don't want it?
It's not because I don't want it. I don't even know how to go about it, or maybe like where to go for it. Where's the money? I mean, why not chase can? What is chase can be?
Yeah, how much chase can? As a musician, Rexoman then a pound for more officer. A drew maybe a much artist for Omunuma Yabo radio, so Omunuma use who hotels.
Oh, for real?
No, wait. Is Medikal saying he doesn't know? Oh, how?
I swear to God, I don't know. Me to be say kwara. Me so much chase can be baby. And if you are in office no way.
So wait, have you not heard Gamro too?
I've heard of it. A music organization.
Yeah, Ghana.
Yeah. I mean, I don't. Maybe just can be a Gamro for that though. Yeah, but I mean, any position where anybody there inside. I mean, I be musician, and as a musician, my job is to bring songs out for people to jam to. I'm doing my job. So if you work for Gamro or wherever whichever institution where they work with when I industry, you also do your job and make sure everybody's happy.
I see. Again. Are you a card-bearing member of Musica too?
Yeah, I think yeah.
Like you sure? Yeah. Are you so sure about that? Or?
I think so. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, I think I did a card a couple of years ago.
Yeah. If not you've not maybe renewed it again, because I know the musical cards expires.
Honestly, I don't renew my own.
You never renew one before. Yeah, that honestly. Is the only one you have. Yes, I see.
Yes.
Okay. About beef. We all remember what you and Strongman did some months or some years back. Would you do it again? Not with Strongman, but as an artist, if you feel someone is trying to prick you, would you go like you had time and attention for Strongman for a period? Would you do that again?
I mean, it depends on my mood. But right now, I don't really want to give people attention that much, because the attention, if I give them, they don't do anything. You understand? So I go watch you then say if I help you beef, it go help you, then we go do it. Because obviously you know go help me in any way. You go benefit, you understand? So obviously if I go beef with you, then it should I was all the ABB.
Why do you also think Strongman did not use the beef opportunities well?
I know you talk about anybody will come at me before or anything. I mean, me and Strongman are cool right now. We've got records outside and stuff. I just they talk about future things happening. I know you talk about the past self. If I mean you have a beef with El Chamano, you should benefit from it and do something better with your life.
And now you are going to be selective on who you even try that with.
We will see. We will see.
During those times, some of the things you mentioned in your rap, did you sit back later to feel I shouldn't have said this? No, this was not necessary.
Me, I don't live my life regret too. If I say something, I didn't mean them. You understand? And then I never regret. If they should reverse time, I'll do the same thing exactly. Yeah, because I feel like I recorded on microphone with you, and I said, and I be never me here, so I'll never regret. But obviously, I might not repeat it if I feel like I shouldn't repeat it again. Yeah.
What is Medical's biggest song in the span of your career now?
I think it's Omada.
Omada.
Yeah. Because to the member for no money. Now my manager and say, oh, we're not from Omada. No, I say, oh, Omada. Then they start dancing. Yeah, but they don't know the hip hop songs and all those songs. They don't really know. But I think Omada is my biggest song.
I see.
Yeah.
Before Shatter's inclusion or after?
Shatter's impact also made a very great deal, like for the song to go higher. So I think it's all part of it.
I see. Now talking about dance, is Medikal a good dancer?
Oh, Sammy, I just poured there. But this thing they ask. Obi a me dia saba nyina, me dia saba so mother.
Oh, say eno dey o ye say bi keke.
No na o ye no.
I remember when you brought this dance. Oh, Jata was trying to the bola bed.
Yeah.
I watched one video of you trying to do that. I was like, Medikal.
Yeah, I mean, at the end of me and many brain I made the me no. At the end I don't know mommy, and then mommy need you, and then mommy sky, and then me fear in energy. Until I didn't my funny personal. Yes, I wouldn't be any problem. I'm a cow. Yeah, no one am to survive.
Did you sometimes wish that maybe you were a better dancer than you are now?
I swear to God. Me personally, I keep telling Dance God that sometimes when he gets time, he should come home so we do some dance sessions, some dance lessons and stuff. Because I really want to learn more moves. Because it's nice to dance, you get me? I feel it's good.
But your wife dances well.
Yeah, she's. I know, you football. I know school moving. I know entertainment prefer near day or she's into those things. So she's a very good dancer. But we will moves be to me or no to me. Yeah.
But no moves more or yeah to me.
Yeah.
Would you want her to take the music thing maybe a little bit serious?
Nah, she doesn't intend to do that. She just does it for fun though. Yeah, but she's an entertainer, so obviously anything could happen. She do things whenever she feels like doing it.
But when she started, it was catching up with people or catching on with people.
But she was just having fun though. That's the reality of the thing. People didn't know that aspect, but she was just having fun. Yeah, she was bored and she was having fun, and I support her in anything that she does. Same way she also supports me. It's vice versa. You get me?
So if she wants to do it again, would you still encourage her? But now you think there is time for other things.
She has a remix to her song No Size that she featured me, Kwamina MP, and some other artists on. She will drop the music video soon.
I see.
Yeah.
Now acting. I know she is an actress.
Yes, please.
But I saw you in one scene slapping her in a cabby. Is she teaching you how to act right?
Me a full actor. Yeah.
Since when?
Full Van Vick calamity. I did tell you.
Since when?
Me I do everything so more. What you may typical me Jeffrey say my word. I did tell you. Me I make word. Every day I did talk this matter. So I did try to do everything some. So I did feel acting, and I mean when I feel of work, some music video, I acting.
Yeah.
What I say. So a music video I was story be way be fast and it was all the acting means to shame.
So in the production that we are expecting from her, are we likely to see Medikal playing some vital roles in there?
Yeah, of course. She has something big coming out. Very, very big. Yeah, I think they were talking about it a few days ago. Richie, some will be more near my be but that's in your camp, so I don't even want to talk about it. But yeah, she's got dope stuff loading as well.
Okay. DJ Sticker says because you are telling us this is your biggest, he would want you to bless us with this before you leave here. Now, who invented the dance move?
Madam. Yeah.
And yeah, Fella na Dubai.
I don't know what you mean this.
Say Medikal no onya de wa sano. Say na mitai hwe no. Oya mi hu.
I don't know somebody be call her. That's why move biara.
Onya de wa sade so sa China be through say ono na ye ni nyina na. Eno pe na pese me ye
show. Me bacho me a.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ena bola bed then way.
Me a.
I see. Bola bed then dey hu. Cause any ushiri no way.
Yeah, vibe.
I know. Charlie, it has been great.
Thank
I know
you.
the medical fans are listening. What message do you have for them? You gave them 1 month of break in music, and now you are coming back on Friday.
Yeah, we're coming back. I mean,